Hi everybody, welcome back to Real Estate Investing Adventures. Why? Because real estate is fun and it should always be an adventure. I'm your host, Joe Jurek, and if you're a returning guest, welcome back. If you're a new guest to my channel, who the heck am I? My name's Joe Jurek. I'm a real estate investor that has the ability to travel all over the country and work with people just like you, getting started in real estate or trying to take their real estate investing to the next level. In this video, I'm going to talk about my playlist that I put together about making mistakes in real estate investing. Now, first and foremost, I want to start out by telling you every investor at one point or another has made a mistake when they got started as they've been investing, but a lot of people don't like admitting the mistakes they make. I remember when I first started in real estate investing, I asked a few investors that were seasoned what's the biggest mistake they've made, and they said, oh, I've never made a mistake, or I've never lost money on real estate. And maybe that's true, but as I've gotten older, I've gotten a little wiser, and I realize sometimes people don't like talking about the mistakes maybe they may have made. So what I want to tell you, it's okay to make a mistake. Just make calculated mistakes. Don't go all in, risk everything, and you lose everything. But here's the key. Take action and learn from your mistakes. We're all going to make mistakes. I call them lessons in life. You're going to learn a lesson from that mistake and hopefully you won't make that mistake again. In this video series, I've put together videos from the years on different tips that'll hopefully help you avoid mistakes. I will continue adding videos to this playlist, so be sure to watch it now and watch it again in the future. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead, go down here where you see my face and a subscribe and a white arrow and subscribe to it. You could also hit the bell at the top to be notified anytime I do videos, because in all my videos, be sure to check them out. Love to hear comments, get the thumbs up. Love hearing about deals and your own experience. I could talk real estate all day. So I want to wish you luck. I want to tell you, take action with your real estate, make your dreams a reality, believe and achieve. Take care. Enjoy the playlist. Bye-bye. Do it now. Believe and achieve. Take care.